Hi, this is my Bruder Skid Steer that I converted to RC, and I'm just going to show you how I set it up. First of all, at the moment I've just got the battery underneath the cab here because I can't make enough room inside the back here where all the electronics are. First of all, the lifting servo, the arm is there, and it's just got a little rod. At the moment I've just got cable ties to stop the ball end going from side to side. Yeah, and that works. That's a high-tech 645, and it's quite strong and it can lift a lot, and it works very well. On the front I've got a high-tech HS5065 for the bucket curl. It's just not strong enough, but it works quite well. And it's just underneath, I've just got a little block with double side tape to hold it on, and then a cable tie around the whole lot to hold the servo in. And it's just got a little hole there. I had to make a little bit of a slot because the way the pivot is. Underneath I've got screws holding the cover on. And I made, out of aluminium blocks, I just filed it down to hold the servos in tighter because the plastic wasn't quite strong enough, and that stops the servos from turning out under weight. And there are all the servos there, all four, all high-tech as well. And the wheels are held in by a pin that we made on a lathe, and I just cut a slot in there for a screwdriver if they were extra tight to be able to undo them, and we just threaded them on the end there so they go straight into the servo, and they just screw on it easy like that. And they're a high-tech 85 MC Plus. For the wheels, on a lathe out of aluminium, we machined a hub which I got from a member of the Scale 4x4 forum, and it's just got the standard high-tech servo horn thing there, and it's just got some wire from the other side holding it in. And then we got silicone and filled the whole thing up for extra weight because that's quite heavy. And we just did that for all. Under here is where the rest of the electronics are. I should have cleaned it before I did this, and it's quite messy. And as you see, this needs tidying up a bit, which is why the battery doesn't fit. At the moment I'm just using a orange RX from Hobby King with the Spectrum DX6R, and this is all the wiring. For the drive servos, for the two left and right, I've got a wire cable. That means that the two get driven on the one channel, and that's how I get the skid drive, with using the mixing on the controller. And yeah, that's how my Bruder Skid Steer is set up. Thanks.